Hello and welcome. Yes, my name is Dave. David or Samuji. If you're joining for the first time, I say welcome. Yes, my channel is all about print on demand, as you all know already. Yes, I create unique design inspiration you can use for print on demand. POD. Yes, to make passive income for yourself online. If you want to make money online through print on demand, creating these designs for yourself, then my channel is that channel you want to stick around with. Make sure you watch to the very end. I'm going to show you how to create something unique. As you can see, this is me using Photoshop. As you can see, this is a blank canvas. So I'm going to go into it and create something unique for you guys. So I'm going to go to settings, new. This is the standard I use for my designs. It's 4500 by 500 pixel, resolution 300, so it comes out super high quality. So I'm just going to zoom in once, just like that, so that I can see my design correctly. So this one is going to be a tribute design. So I'm just going to unlock the background. I clicked on the padlock you see here, double tap on that and press OK. So now that we have that out of the way, we're just going to go into my download folder, look for the US flag. You know what has been happening in the US so far. So yes, you know what has been happening. So I'm just going to find the US flag and I'm going to bring it into this design and I'm going to create something unique. These are the ones I've used in the past, so I'm just going to bring this one into it and I'm going to create something unique you guys are going to love. So I'll just put it to the side like so. Right, so I'm going to put it to the side like so. I'm going to click OK. So now we have that in our design, and I will go back and look for my love pet. It's called the bulldog. Okay, it's called the bulldog, so I'll look for the bulldog. This is it. I'm just going to drag that into the design too. As you can see, this design is going to be super quick. It's not going to take your time at all. So I'm going to reduce the size, obviously, because you can see it's bigger than the flag which is under, as you can see. So I'm reducing that. So to reduce that, I'll move my cursor to this edge and I'll press on my alt key, my shift key button, and my left mouse click button, drag mouse in out or any which way. It's going to reduce it for you, as you can see. So I'm just going to do that like so. Move it to the side, so it's just gonna stay where it is right now. I'll press enter, go back to my flag, try to make it bigger again, Ctrl T to highlight that. I'll make the flag bigger, press on my alt shift key button and my left mouse click button and just make that like so. Okay, now we have that bigger. I'm just going to press enter again. So now we have our flag and we have our bulldog. So I'm just going to click on the two by pressing down my control key button. I'll click on this two and then I'll just press on my left mouse click button and move them to the middle. So you can see this design is not complicated. We are almost done. You won't believe that we are almost done creating this design. So the next step for us is just to bring in our text, and this one is going to say stand together. All right, so I'm just going to say stand together. So I want it to be on separate lines, so I'm just going to highlight this one, make it bigger. Okay, so make it bigger, Control T, highlighted, alt key button, shift key button, left mouse key button, drag that out. All right, so now it says stand. So now I'm going to change the font because I obviously don't want that font. So to do that, okay, apply. You need to apply that first, then Control A. I'm going to go to my font palette and change that font because I want a different font. I want a graphical kind of font. I know I have that, so I'm just going to look for it and simply change my font to that one, just to give me that graphical feel. Okay, yes, so we have that graphical feel. I'm going to change the colors to blue. All right, so we have the blue. I've changed the color to blue so it says stand. So I'm going to duplicate this layer. So to do that, I'm going to press down my alt keyboard, move my cursor above it, press down my alt key button, my left mouse key button, and drag downwards. All right, so now I'll go back to the T. As you can see here, click on this one, Control A to highlight, and I'll do together. All right, so now we have that. It says stand together. So if I click on this, okay, so it just says stand together. Okay, you can decide to put them overlapping each other. Then you highlight both of them, press down your control key button and highlight that. You do control T again to get the two fonts together and make them bigger by pressing your alt key button, shift key button, and left mouse click button together and drag outward to just give you that bigger feel to it. Okay, so you can see how easy it was to create this design. It did take us a lot of time and we have it, but the final thing you need to do is to make sure you turn off your background. You don't want your background in your design. As you can see, the flag has a transparent back, but depending on the shade you put it in, it's going to give you a different look. The text has a different look, so depending on what you put it on, it's going to give you a different look. This design is super easy, not complicated, easy to make, easy to do, and it's simple. So you're right, there's a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you enjoyed this one, make sure you like. If you want to subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. My name remains David. Stay blessed. I love you all.